Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam Tools is not working. So the first step what you need to do here is to completely close Steam. Go to the system tree, right click on it and exit Steam. And once you do that, then launch Steam Tools, then right click on that particular message here. Then you need to go to as you can see here, should be launch Steam options. Make sure activate unlock mode, always stay unlocked, and launch Steam is enabled. And once you have it here, then you just need to launch normal Steam. And once the Steam is opened, then press on the Steam icon here. Then you need to go to settings. And once you are on the settings, you need to go to downloads and then scroll down until you see clear cache, and then clear your Steam cache. The Steam will restart and then it will turn on normally. And then what you need to do here, you just need to go to interface here and then look for client beta participation. If for you is no beta chosen, change the opposite one. In my case, it will be Steam beta update. I just need to select this, right, and restart my Steam. If you have on default selected Steam beta update, select no beta chosen, restart the Steam, and it should work for you. So that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.